You show the money.
Lord.
What will you say to Tito Alex?
Thank you, Tito Alex.
Are you happy? Oh, no look.
Yes. Yes, we're happy.
What you gonna do to your money, Stella?
In the pocket.
Bakit? Ikaw at
Bank.
MJ.
Same.
Save saan?
Bank.
Sa store o sa bangko?
Bank.
Bank.
Put it in the bank.
In my pocket.
In my pocket lang.
So I can do it.
Okay. What will you say to Tito Alex?
Thank you, Tito Alex.
And
So I can love you.
so I can love you.
And
Thank you and what?
welcome.
Ay, you're welcome.
And what?
And you always
And
thankful and you
Saan
do
po natin yan,
always toys. Bye-bye.
Ha?